If you want to stop Afterpay from automatically renewing your payments, follow these simple steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Afterpay website or open the Afterpay app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile icon at the top of the page or app. Step 3. Find Subscription or Auto-Renewal options. Look for a section related to subscriptions or auto-renewal settings. This may be labeled as Payment Settings or Manage Subscriptions. Step 4. Disable Auto-Renewal. In the Auto-Renewal section, you should see an option to disable or turn off Auto-Renewal. Select this option and confirm your choice if prompted. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After disabling Auto-Renewal, check for a confirmation message or email. This will ensure that your settings have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can effectively stop Afterpay from auto-renewing your payments. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Afterpay's customer support for assistance.